I came to San Siro expecting a football match, and ended up feeling like I was in a Roman temple with free Wi-Fi. Yes, it's a stadium, but also a concrete monster with a soul. This isn't a game, it's theatre. And not just any theatre: betrayal, drama, redemption. All that's missing are pigeons with swords. Imagine sharing a flat with your ex. That's Inter and Milan. One sleeps in the red room, the other in the blue and black. Sometimes they bump into each other in the hallway and whack each other with a broom. San Siro's like a father-in-law who stays neutral but absolutely loves the gossip. Officially it's called Giuseppe Meazza, but everyone just says San Siro. Like that mate called Eduardo, but everyone calls him the Nutter. Giuseppe played for both teams, a proper legend, and probably the only guy both sides respect. A walking miracle, honestly. There were cows here once. Actual cows. Then someone said, let's build a stadium. Boom, 1926, the beast was born. Since then it's grown like a loaf of bread with too much yeast. After all the renovations, it now looks like a spaceship that caught football fever. To Milan, San Siro's like a drunk uncle, brings joy, nostalgia, and absolute traffic chaos. But without it, the city wouldn't be the same. It's the footballing lung of a place that breeds fashion, design, and wrongly disallowed goals. Every derby splits the city in two, blue and black on one side, red and black on the other. Families block each other on WhatsApp. Bars overflow. And San Siro? It trembles. It's more intense than a Turkish soap opera finale. They've hosted a Champions League final here. Ronaldo, yes, the real one, left defenders in wheelchairs. People cried, screamed, and swore in 5 languages. San Siro has the memory of an elephant, and an ultra. They renovate it now and then, add seats, towers, lifts, but never enough toilets. Honestly, the real sport here is finding a working loo during half-time. Curva Nord for Inter, Curva Sud for Milan. Don't pick the wrong side unless you fancy getting lost like a tourist in the Bronx. They don't sing there, they growl. These stands have their own personality, and threats. When night falls, San Siro glows like it's got makeup on for a red carpet event. And the noise? Bloody hell. It's like 80,000 people screaming through stadium auto-tune. Even helicopters avoid flying over. The Rolling Stones, U2, Beyoncé, even Berlusconi gave speeches here. Sometimes there's more chaos with Madonna's fans than Milan Ultras. Basically, it's a nightclub with grass. It snowed so hard once, the players looked like snowmen. But San Siro doesn't shut for a bit of weather. If they have to play, they play. And if they need to ice skate, well, bring it on. Yes, San Siro's seen some dodgy stuff too. In the 80s and 90s, there were more illegal bets than legit goals. But hey, it's Italy. If there's no mafia flavor, is it even authentic? Neighbors here can't tell the difference between an earthquake and a last-minute goal. They sell coffee, shirts, and earplugs. Living next to San Siro means free noise, guaranteed traffic. They want to knock it down. Yep. Tear down San Siro. Like bulldozing the Colosseum because it's a bit old. There are protests, nostalgic tears, and politicians promising everything, except working toilets. Old shirts, glorious photos, muddy boots, and that sweet smell of faded glory. It's like walking into a shrine of some odd religion, where Maradona's the god and Materazzi's the devil. They come from Japan, Brazil, Sweden, some cry. Others scream like Messi's in the stands. And of course, they pay €30 for a scarf that costs €1 in China. San Siro's not all joy. You lose. You cry. But you do it in style, scarf around your neck, beer in hand, and a curse ready for the referee. Milan loves San Siro, and moans about it too. Like an Italian mum who feeds you and then shouts because you left crumbs. But if they ever demolish it, half the country will cry. And the other half too, secretly. When you leave San Siro, you realize you didn't just watch football. You lived it. It's a modern Colosseum, a chaotic opera, an eternal show. And sure, you might leave deaf, but your soul's full of goals.